Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva in laptop. If you are completely new to Canva and you feel confused about where to start, then this video is for you. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva step by step, from creating an account, understanding the dashboard, designing your first post, editing text, adding elements, and finally downloading your design. This tutorial is 100% beginner friendly, so even if you have never used Canva before, do not worry. By the end of this video you'll be able to create your own designs confidently, so let's get started. So first of all, Canva is an online graphic design tool that helps you create designs easily even if you are not a designer. You can use Canva to make Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, posters, resume, logos, videos, and much more. The best part is Canva works on laptop, mobile, and tablet, and it also has a free version which is more than enough for beginners. So let's get started to create an account. First, you need to go to the Google Chrome. On the top there's this search bar, type down canva.com. Over here on the top right corner we could see the sign up. Select the sign up. Here there's an option for continue with Google, with Facebook, or with email. You can choose any of this on the screen. As I'm going with the Google, over here you can simply choose your account, or if you want to use another account, select this option, select continue. After that, over here you can simply choose any of this option, which is small business, personal, large company, or any of the on the screen. As I'm going to select personal here, and select in which content you are interested in. You can simply select any of this from the screen, or you can skip the personalization as well if you want to. Select continue, do all this process step by step. If you want Canva Pro, you can select the Canva Pro and claim the offer, but if you do not want to, you can simply skip over here. And once you get into this, Canva will take you directly to the dashboard, which is the main home screen. Now let me explain this dashboard properly. This is your Canva dashboard, and at the top you can see a search bar here. You can search for anything like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, presentation, or logo. And on the left side you'll see different sections here. You can see the home, projects, templates, brand, and Canva AI. And home is your main page. The projects where all your designs are saved. Templates, pre-made designs you can use. The brand are mostly for Canva Pro users, and the Canva AI extra tools inside the Canva. And you can see the more option here. You can also select that. You can see all the apps. You can connect creativity and productivity. You can also grow your AI tools to grow your marketing, your content planner, and your design skills. How to learn to design with Canva. We can start create our first design. First you need to create your first design. For this tutorial I'll create an Instagram post. Over here you can search your Instagram post. On this search bar, type down Instagram post, select to this search. Over here you'll find a lot of templates. Over here you can see many templates. Templates are already designed layouts. You just need to edit the text, colors, or images. So you can click on any template you like and it will appear on your canvas. Over here to edit text, simply click on the next. Simply select customize this template, and in this interface you get to edit text and a lot of font styles, font size, text color, and alignment. So if you want to add new text, you can go to the text section. On the left, select the text. You can add either your heading or a subheading. Here I'm going to select add heading. Right here, select this heading and delete all the text, and you can add your own text by just clicking on your keyboard. If you want to make it small, you can go to this icon here. We could see this arrow icon. You can simply zoom in or zoom out. So you can either make it small or either make it big as per your preferences. And after you're done, you can select to this icon here and just drag wherever you want. Canva automatically shows alignment lines, which helps keep your design neat and centered. Now you can also add elements and photos. Now click on the tools over here. On the left menu, select that, and here you'll find all of the shapes, icon, stickers, text, and the graphics here. So you can search for anything like arrow, circle, or flower. So go to the shapes here, and here you'll find all of the shapes that you want to put in your template. As I'm going to select this top, by simply clicking on this, you'll get this sticker on your template. Here you can make it smaller, big, and simply place it where you want to. And if you want to add photos, you can go to the photo sections or the upload if you want to upload your own image from your device. And going to this upload section here, select this upload, select upload files over here, or if you want to record yourself, you can do that as well. And if you want to drop content here, you can also connect your app. You can either go with your drives, your photos, and your Dropbox, and all of the other apps over here. You can see that. And the second is changing colors and background. To change your colors, click on any element or the background over here. top, you'll see color options. You can choose from Canva's colors or add your own custom color. Over here, select this color icon. You'll see all of the colors here. You can select the document colors. You can also add your brand colors by selecting your band colors, all of the default solid colors here, and all the gradient colors as well. And try to keep colors simple and readable. And the second is basic video and animation. Canva also allows basic animations. Click on any text or element, then click animate at the top. Over here, select any empty backgrounds add from your template, and on the top we could see the animate icon. Select that, and in the left side here we could see all of the presentation settings of the animations. You can either select from the general by selecting that, and if you want to toggle on this option appearing on the click, you can also do that if you want to. Or if you want to click it on order, select this, and you can add simple animations like fade, slide, and this is useful for Instagram reels, stories, or for short videos as well. You can also download your own designs. Once your design is ready, you can click it on share in the top right corner here. Click on that, and over here you'll find all of the enough access. You can either download it, you can also public view this link, you can also share this to your Instagram, you can schedule it as well, and you can also give link to your friends and give access to your link. And if you want to download it, select to this icon here. Select download. You can also change your quality if you want the quality to be the max all the way up, which is for the pro versions. If you have paid for your Canva Pro, then you can go slide it to here, but if you're using for the free, you can simply cannot access to that, and after you're done, select to the download, and Canva template is being downloaded. And after that, on the bottom left corner we could see this profile icon. Select that, and over here we could see all of these options here. You can simply change your theme here, and after you click on the theme, you can either choose the light theme or the dark theme as per your preferences by simply just clicking onto that. And after you're done, you can go to the settings over here, and on the settings you can change your photo. You can remove the photo by simply clicking into this option. So you can either remove your photo by selecting remove the photo and select remove photo, and if you want to upload your photo, select to the upload photo, and you'll get into the library here and select your photo by simply clicking on it. You can also change your name if you want to by clicking on the edit option here and select to the save after you're done. And if you want to change your email address, you can also do that by simply selecting your edit. And over here you can also change your Canva what you're using for, and you can also change the language here by selecting to this language. If you prefer any other language, simply scroll on the languages and select one of the language that you prefer. And if you want to disconnect your Google, you can do that as well. And over here you can see all of these options, and do look at carefully. If you want to log out to your account, on the bottom left corner, go to that icon again to your profile here and select log out on the bottom. This is how you can log out to your Canva, and that is it. This is how you can use Canva from scratch as a beginner. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and share this video. And if you want more Canva tutorials like YouTube thumbnails, resumes, or reels, let me know in the comments. And if you have any trouble on how to use Canva, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.